Hello, everybody. Becky the Chucky here, and today I'll be giving an update on the Star Trek experience coming to Universal Studios Hollywood as part of Universal Fan Fest Nights. The immersive experience, recently revealed as Star Trek Red Alert, is set to premiere in April and will be a month-long after-hours fandom event. The first event will begin on Friday, April 15th, and continues on select nights through Sunday, May 18th. It'll be a walk-through experience aboard the USS Enterprise-D in the year 2403, where guests must stop an alien threat. They'll also be able to explore the various parts of the ship, including the bridge, engineering room, and even transporter pads. Universal has described their new FanFest nights as a mashup of their popular Halloween Horror Nights mixed with Comic-Con, promising to quote-unquote take fandom to a whole new level. Here is the official description of the Star Trek experience. Star Trek Red Alert, inspired by the Star Trek universe that has entertained millions of fans, this daring walkthrough experience will boldly take guests on an immersive adventure aboard the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D on a mission to prevent an interstellar threat. Guests will find themselves transported to the year 2403 just as an otherworldly entity wreaks havoc on the ship. As the chaos ensues, guests will venture further into the Enterprise, navigating familiar Star Trek environments from the ship's engineering room to transporter pads to the soul of the Starship Enterprise, the bridge, an original set piece featured in the third and final season of Star Trek Picard, in a desperate quest to stop the perceived danger and restore peace aboard the ship. Laden with special effects, audiovisual effects, multi-sensory activations, and themed performers, this all-original experience will create an unforgettable, awe-inspiring moment that will elevate Star Trek fandom to new levels. Themed food and beverages will also be available, such as at Quark's Cafe, where specially themed foods like Vulcan fritters and a triple truffle trio will be available, and also at the 10 Forward Bar, where guests can indulge on specially crafted drinks like Romulan Ale. So, what are your thoughts on this new experience coming soon? Are any of you planning on going? I know I sadly won't be able to attend this cool experience, although I totally wish I could. But as always, thank you all so much for watching. Hit that like button and consider subscribing if you aren't already, and live long and prosper.